Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanted Apollo here, fired up and grateful for another day to be able to share. Today we're going to talk about mindset, skill set, inspiration, and some wisdom. This morning, I don't know if you were on this morning call with in my book club / mastermind. It was with my girl, Amy Starr Allen, today. Absolutely fabulous. Well, what she talked about was about celebrating the small steps every day. So I was started to think, well, what are the small steps? Well, guys, the small steps for myself, right, is getting up today. It's exercising. It's getting on the morning mastermind call, working on my mindset. It's cleaning the house, right? Doing the dishes, simple chores, jumping on the morning TNC call. I love that. If you're new to being in our community, that's one of my favorite calls. And I love it right now because this time of the year, I'm able to be home at this time so I can plug in live. And I love it also when I'm working because I can plug into the record so I don't miss anything. But I love being present. You know, there's something special about when you're working with owners of the company. Paul and Mike are just absolutely fabulous. They love to see people succeed, and that's what I love about this community. You know what? There's like 11 hours training. You don't have to plug in, and many of them are live. So you can always get your questions answered. So you're in business for yourself, but you're never by yourself. I love it because I love the morning call because I love the value that we learn. You know, someone said on this morning call is, they talked about, you know, being present in the moment. You know, there's a lot of people that, you know, don't have the opportunity, or a loved one or somebody right here to make a difference, right? They're not here anymore. The great thing is that we're here, you and me, we're here, and we can make the best of each and every day. So I want to just say to you today is that count your blessings, right? Focus on your small wins. It could be getting up. It could just be exercising. It could be drinking more water, whatever it is. And then also, celebrate your failures, right? I fail a couple times a day. Each and every one of us do. But when we fail forward. So remember that. It's about taking action. Imperfect action. So work on your body, your mind, and your spirit. I hope you got value. And if you want to learn more now how you can to cash in on your passions, check me out at successwithwandad.com. As always, do something good for somebody else in a space of knowing they can't repay you.